Hello, this is Dan Alford with Specialties. Welcome to our series on designing for automation. People are worried about robots taking their jobs. I can assure you, if robotics was easy, my life would be easy, and it's not. So we did a video a while back on 9 points to consider before you automate. And so we're going to put a link below to that, and you can go through this in detail. But I thought that I would talk about this one part here, because in my entire career, this is the only part that I've ever robotically welded that fits all 9 of my points. Because my points are, A, it needs to be a weldable material. In this case, this is mild steel. This is a suspension shackle for a vehicle. And it is interesting that this is made up in the Detroit area, where robots are much more accepted and used up there, and these guys can teach us all a bunch, and that's why I'm using this part as a demonstration. I didn't design it. I think it's perfect though, because A, it's mild steel, which is easy to weld. Second, we're using a gas metal arc welding process, which is easy to automate. Third, we have some very accurate fixturing holes. So these 2 holes are something we can fixture off of, so the robot can locate this weld easily and quickly. And these holes are accurate relative to that. Another good feature. Another thing is, this is a partial penetration weld. People casually will say, I want a full pin weld, full penetration all the way through the part. Easy to say, hard to do. And this is a perfect example where there is absolutely no need for it. You can see here, this is a fillet weld, or maybe a flare bevel weld, and it's partial pin. That's all that's necessary on this part. Had somebody specified full penetration, this would have cost 10 times as much to weld. So they simply specified it properly. And one of the most clever things about this is, if you'll notice, the weld doesn't go all the way from one end to the other. They started on the part and finished on the part. Seems like a trivial matter, but not to the guy writing your robot program. This greatly simplifies the part programming. We'll never have a burn through on the ends, and your acceptance rate goes way up. So we're going to put a link down below to my 9 points for automation. But like I said, this is the only part in my 40-year career that fits all 9 of my points. The perfect part. But I've only seen it once in my life. You probably won't have it. So if you follow the other 9 points, hopefully this will help you to design your process to facilitate automation, improve productivity, improve quality, and improve efficiency at your plant. I hope this is a benefit to you. I look forward to seeing you on future episodes.